Today we wanted to introduce to you our line of safety devices, both safety edges with the wireless transmitter receiver kit and photo eyes that are compatible with the LiftMaster gate operators. Today we're going to show you quickly how our UL safety devices work with the LiftMaster gate operator. Right now I have a iGAZE RE transmitter in my hand and then an iGAZE RE receiver. This is our wireless transmitter receiver kit for safety edges. Now we're going to show you how to quickly hook this up to the LiftMaster gate operator to make it work properly and to make it fit into the specs of UL with monitored devices. Right now I've got the safety edge, one safety edge wired into our input 1 on our transmitter. It's simply two wires and the two inputs here, and you can see we have input 1. And then we also have a second input, so you can put up to two safety edges on one transmitter. An important note is that all of your dip switches when operating on a LiftMaster gate operator need to be set to the off position. So dip switches 1 through 3 on the transmitter need to be set to the off position. And then if we come to the receiver has two wires that we've got connected. We have the positive power and the negative power. Those are the only two wires that we're using here. And those are wired up into any of the edge inputs on the LiftMaster board. LiftMaster uses the color yellow for their terminals that are their UL safety device inputs. So you can wire our positive and negative into the positive and negative of any of the edge inputs on the LiftMaster gate operator. So it's as simple as two wires. Then all you're going to do is make sure your dip switches on the receiver are all set to off. There are 6 dip switches. All of those need to be set to off. So both on the transmitter and receiver they're set to off. And then you're simply going to program in the transmitter to the receiver by pushing and holding the learn button. And once you hear one beep, that means you're on channel 1, and then by pushing the corresponding channel on the transmitter. If you wanted to program this, you'd program this one in. And you'll hear a sequence of beeps to allow you to know that it's programmed in, and that's it. It's that simple with the iGAZE RE. And now you'll be able to see through the LED indication on the LiftMaster board that when I trigger the edge, I get my light on the LiftMaster board that says there's an obstruction, and the gate would either not open or close depending on an open edge or a closed edge. So you can see I'm holding it now, I release it and it goes away, or I can do it quickly. Okay, so that's working properly with the iGAZE RE kit. Important note is that we also sell the actual safety edges. You can buy those from us. They can be cut and assembled in the field on the go. You don't have to buy them to certain lengths, which is a nice feature. So that's the iGAZE RE transmitter kit. That part number is iGAZE RE kit-P for pulse, which is the technology that LiftMaster looks for. Then we have our closed beam and our open beam. We offer both a through beam photo eye and a reflective photo eye, which we see here. The top is a reflective, and you can see when I break that, my LED light here on the board is going to come on. And that is simply two wires as well, positive and negative coming from the photo eye to the positive and negative input on one of LiftMaster's safety device inputs, which are again indicated by the yellow terminal strip. Then I have my open beam, which is a through beam device. You can see the other end here. And you can see when I'm breaking it, the LED light down here is coming on. So this gate operator would run properly the way that LiftMaster has said in their manual that it should run by using our safety devices that are compatible with LiftMaster with that pulse technology. Thank you.